Hi, today I'm going to talk about our submission, which is called Food Banks Manager. First of all, I just want to say I'm sorry for my English. It's not my first language. So a Food Banks Manager is an easy to use, interactive web application that allows community organizers to track donations at their specific food banks, also fundraising. So it's very intuitive to use. So community organizers don't have to worry about manipulating data and like uh, putting it in big database. It's very easy to use. As you're gonna see, it's 2 clicks and it's done. So it really facilitates their work, so they can concentrate more on more important stuff, such as being there for the community and really um, maximizing their effort for making the biggest difference they can make. So if you download the zip file uh, on GitHub, which I put the submission on dev post. So we created the application using a Django. So you need to run the server on your local computer. If you don't have Django, you need to install it with Python. So I'm just gonna log out there. Okay, so that's the main dashboard. There's two views, one when you're not logged in and one when you're logged in. So now we're not logged in, so we see all the information, but as you can see here, you can log in or register. So anybody can see that. You can see specific food banks. Now, if we want to log in, I created a username for every food bank. So the name is red, and the password is red, red, red. It's the same concept for everyone. It's red, red, red 3 times, but all in small letters. So, for example, green, green, it's green, 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 all small letters. Okay, so now I'm logged in. Hello, red. I can log out. I'm not going to do that. If I go to the green food bank, it's the same interface as when we were not logged in. But if I go in the red interface, now I can see new things. I have my inventory of all the items that I have. I can keep track of the money donations. I can keep track of the food donations here. So here I have my easy to use buttons to add food donation, money donation, or give back, which is when we give back what we receive to the community. So if I want to add a food donation, just it's keeping track in our inventory. So for example, here we have 6 flowers. So if we add food donation, if Garfield, or Garf, flower and 2. So now I add 6 flower, now I'm at 8. So it keeps track of the donations. Same principle for the money. So if we go back, we add 542. So if I add more, so 25, let's say, now I have more. And if it was not okay, I could delete it. Yes, confirm is deleted. I could edit it too. However, I don't know why, but my editing function isn't working. But it was working like before I uploaded it on GitHub, so I really don't know why. But I don't have time to fix it now. But I'm definitely gonna look into it. But it was working all night, so I really don't know what happened there. You see this one word, but it doesn't submit. But anyway, so if I go back to my receipt, if I give back, for example, a family comes and they need cereal box, so here I have 5, but if they come and they need cereal box, so I say -2, and now my inventory knows that I have -2, so 3. I have to be honest with you, I didn't create a function that calculates if the give back request that I sent is gonna make my quantity be negative. So we could have technically -3 flour. I haven't had time to work about that because it's my first time using Django platform. Um, and just doing that, I learned a lot, but there's definitely room for improvement. But I definitely want to keep working on it because I think it's a very good start and it's very functional nonetheless, even though like it's negative and like the edit, but I don't know why the edit isn't functioning right now. But anyway, so if I go back to the dashboard, so like I said, I'm red, so I only have access to the red. I can't go see and manipulate green's food bank. If I log out and I go for the green now, you can see green. It's capital letter for the username, but password all small letters. Green, green, green. Okay, so I can see the red, but I can see the green. So that was a really big thing to add for me because in Django you needed to add like a decorators, which is called decorators, and it's like I said, it's the first time using Django. It's a more advanced stuff. So I read a lot about it this night. Um, I haven't slept a lot, so yeah, really challenging. And I think it has a really nice user interface. Like it has nice colors, and the design is pretty nice too. So it's easier to use, like I said, and yeah. So if I log out, if we want to create a register, you can. I'm not gonna do it right now, but we can go see my admin, which is like more of my backend. For my admin, it's admin and admin, all small letters. So here you can see all the food banks is, but if you will see the user, like you see all blue sign and that, and how I did, so the only the blue could see like the blue is that I created groups, and like for the blue one, I added him in the blue group. So like now he only has access to the blue food bank, but I could also create a new user and also give it the blue group, and this user would also have access to it. So that's pretty much it for the user interface and how I did it. And I really learned a lot during this project. So thank you very much.